giving you some quick overview of the last few trades for the 19th of February 2023. As you can see, 93, 114, 176, 575, 228, 70, 31, and that's pretty much it for that day. And I have summarized it for you, and I've done a post in one of my groups which is dedicated for kind of tracking my results. So I've posted it 3 hours ago. I was just busy and I couldn't manage to get back to the next step and upload it, and I decided to just straight up do a live, and then when I do that live, I'll upload that recording in YouTube, so if someone missed it can watch it for themselves in their own time and go back or whatever. But I've just literally broke 6k total net. That means all the losses are calculated in, and I'm still 6k up. So that's for that account, which was created for the group to track my results after I had multiple questions and requests to prove and to explain, am I profitable, how much can you expect to make when you become a professional trader, etc. So the start date of that account was 31st of January 2023. 1290 for today, 19th of February 2023. It's 141 in the UK now. I haven't traded since, so that's pretty much everything's accurate and up to date. No new trades. Roughly around $306 per day for the last 20 days. That's on average. So some days I had less, some days I had more, but that's on average. Account balance, I started it with 100k as you see in a bit, because I'll showcase that as well. I'll go through the history of the account and dates as well, and hours, time. So again, these were the last few trades, but if I switch to the account, you'll be able to see in real time the account being refreshed. That's a demonstration account only. I never show my personal results for various purposes, but mainly because of privacy and safety. So again, 19th, that's all today. 19th, 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 and that's 18th. But I'll go quickly, and that will be uploaded again in YouTube, so you'll be able to scroll through it in your own time, pause it, whatever. 17th, 16th, that was on the 15th of February. I have explanation what happened with that loss. That was the biggest loss, and that was the biggest win. Both are connected. There was a reason for that loss, and in short, I just accidentally tapped on close, but I was convinced, and that was a big position, big short. I was convinced we're going down. We just had some short squeezes, a few of them, and the price kept going up, but I knew we are about to collapse, and so I placed a bigger short to prove my point and to put my money, so to speak, where my mouth is, and to prove that was literally, I was trying to, on my phone, I trade mostly on my phone, I'm constantly on the move, so I was trying to move the chart around and all that. The chart, I mean. And whilst I was moving, I tapped on the screen, and that seemed to be on top of the position, so I closed it. So I got really disappointed about it. So I had to like kind of open another short, and I decided to scale into that short, so that I can show that I'm confident that we're gonna close it into a profit. These are just small losses here and there. Obviously, it's very hard to keep reining in the profits without any losses. We're trying to get to the first date so that you can see, balance before and balance after. We're getting closer to the first trade on that account. Another small loss. Another small loss. 10th of the 2nd, meaning 10th of February. Another few losses. 10th of February. 10th of February. Another tiny loss. 9th of February. 8th of February. 8th. 8th. 7th. 5th. 4th. 3rd. 2nd. That was one of the few losses that were like bigger in size. 2nd. And that's all it is for that account. 31st of January 2023, 7:47 a.m. That was the first position, and you can see balance before. I started with a net 100,000, and then we grew it all the way to, again, 106,136.97. That's up to date. It's 147 in the UK again. So I've got a few groups going. One of them is the free trading group. Another one is where I post my results, so we can keep everything up to date and we can track everything, and we can potentially record mistakes and so on and so forth, lessons. But that's the type of journal I'm gonna be having, and that post is within a group, and the group is my personal track record. And if we go back, I'm not sure. Basically, that's kind of on the back end. So I think I need to go back and open the Wix backend thingy so I can show you the groups. Bear with me. So when you go to groups in the backend, you can see all the groups available, but obviously you can request all of them with one exception. There is one group that's a VIP group where I post VIP signals. Other than that, it's just my personal track record, I have a vitamin C dedicated group for health because vitamin C cures cancer, and I stand behind that statement, and I've done a lot of research on that topic. BlackRock, it seems to be a trending company in the US that seems to be popping up left and right and having influence on pretty much every single aspect of the economy, not just in the US, but starting to influence the economy globally. So we're going to be tracking that. Live trading recordings, I'll be posting the recordings from the live events when I trade live, so we can keep track of that, and it's easily organized in one group. Another group especially dedicated to health, New World Order, because obviously that's a big topic. AI and trading, that's going to be a big topic forward. Automated workflow, when you have some digital businesses and all that, there are ways to automate your workflow, especially social medias. Instead of posting on every single one, you can post and it can be readjusted to all of your accounts automatically. All about AI in the future, obviously that's going to be a big trend, and I think the biggest money to be made are going to be in AI in the next few years, probably in the next decade. Mainstream media, some stuff that are worth noting that the mainstream media is posting. Free energy, it's going to be more and more discussed topic, so we need to know what's good with that. That's the trade day trading edge signals group, where I post the signals, the free ones. Success, all tips and all data that we can find about success, you can post as well in the group. Weather manipulation, it's more than clear now that it's happening. They're not even hiding it anymore, I think. Global energy resources, in the US we had some major manipulation of stuff like prices are inflated. BlackRock is involved, I think. Again, corporations are making in the US like millions per hour on average for the last year. Export of US energy resources all-time high, and at the same time we're importing expensive energy resources from other countries, which is ridiculous, and we're pretending to be a green country, which is again ridiculous. I don't live in the US, but I speak as I live there, because for me, every single person matters and every single economy matters, and I feel like I live everywhere. For me, everyone is equal and everything should be equal. New technologies, obviously that's going to be a big one. I just keep tapping on by mistake. Global population, that's a group that needs to be closely monitored as well. We're going to be posting all kinds of data in terms of global population. I've heard someone, a big name, let me think, who was it? I'm not sure who was it, but someone said recently, and it was a big name that Elon Musk. He said recently that we need to be aware of risk of global population being reduced, being the number of people globally going down. So that was odd. He's not like any random person. He knows stuff. Human sexuality, conspiracy theories, charts, crypto news, war risks to be aware of, the 1% club, day trading rules, ways to become wealthy, AI crypto projects, connecting the dots, trading view indicators, climate change facts, day trading edge group, BitHub Global and other exchanges, scammy exchanges. I'm gonna call it a day for that one, and I'll be seeing you soon, but we'll be posting regularly. I will be posting regularly in pretty much all social medias, especially on TikTok and YouTube. Meaning on YouTube, I will be uploading the in YouTube, I will be uploading the lives from TikTok and all that. What else? Profits again in the groups, and losses. But yeah, I'm pretty tired. I just wanted to update you what's happening with the demonstration account and how we moving forward. I think the results speak for themselves. So yeah, we'll talk again, but that was pretty much what I've got for you today. I'll be signing out. Peace out. Cheers.